what was it?
Hindu Kush, yeah. So they have started it beautifully with a lovely prayer, very melodiously sung. And I hand over the mic to them back again to take this assembly forward. So God bless you, children. Over to you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of wisdom.
Now I would like to invite my friend Ruhan to throw some light on the theme of our assembly.
The beautiful words of Mother Teresa remind us that greatness is not always about doing big, extraordinary things. Each one of us has the power to make a difference through small acts of kindness, like helping a friend, respecting others, sharing, or simply being kind in our words. When these small actions are done with love and sincerity, they create a big impact on the world around us. Let us remember that even the smallest gesture, when filled with love, can bring happiness and change someone's day.
Thank you, Ruhan, for your beautiful thoughts.
A thoughtful idea can shape a beautiful day. I call upon Amira and Shania to share the thought of the day.
आज का विचार है, हम सभी महान कार्य नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन हम छोटे छोटे कार्य भी बहुत प्रेम से कर सकते हैं. धन्यवाद.
I repeat, the thought of the day is, not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. By Mother Teresa. Thank you.
Let us now discover what makes each day special. I call upon Sohavi Aviraj to share the important days of the week.
10th of May, Mother's Day, celebrated on the second Sunday of May to honor motherhood. 11th of May, International Technology Day, marks the 1998 nuclear tests.
12th of May, International Nurses Day, honors the contribution of nurses worldwide. 15th of May, International Day of Families, celebrates the importance of family units. 21st of May, Anti-Terrorism Day, promotes peace, unity and non-violence.
News keeps us aware of what's happening around us, locally, nationally, and globally. It helps us stay informed, think wisely, and become responsible citizens. Now let us move on to the news segment. I would like to call my friends to share the news.
Good morning, everyone. Today, me and my friend Jasnit will be telling you the national news for today. Child heroes. The Indian Air Force used a helicopter to rescue 2 children who were stranded on a high water tank in Gorakhpur. The government shared exciting news about a new bullet train. It will connect Delhi and Lucknow in just 2 hours, which is faster than current trains. NTA cancelled the NEET exam due to a paper leak. Thank you.
My name is Prajna and this is my friend Tripat. We will be telling you international news.
Axolotl, zebrafish, and mice help humans regrow lost limbs. Researchers identified a shared set of genes dubbed SP genes in axolotls, zebrafish, and mice that may one day help humans regrow lost limbs.
Pop star Dua Lipa is suing Samsung for 15 million, alleging the company used her images on television boxes without permission.
A new electromagnetic thruster from NASA will help a human mission to Mars. NASA successfully conducted a high-energy test of a new electromagnetic thruster at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, a significant step towards human missions to Mars.
Russian President Vladimir Putin suggested the war in Ukraine may be coming to an end. However, the EU has already rejected his proposal to use former German Chancellor Gerhard Schröder as a mediator for peace talks.
A deadly hantavirus outbreak hit the Dutch cruise ship MV Hondius during a South Atlantic expedition. The likely source, an index passenger who had traveled through Argentina, Chile, and Uruguay before boarding, contracted the rodent-borne disease. This has caused 10 cases and 3 deaths so far.
Tensions have escalated as US President Donald Trump rejected Iran's latest peace proposal, calling it totally unacceptable. Oil prices surged by over 4% following the rejections, as Iran continues its blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My friend Rahat and I, Vehanvi, will update you with the world of sports.
Lionel Messi broke another record after scoring for Inter Miami versus Toronto. Ronaldo fan. Ronaldo just reached 100 Saudi Pro League goals in Al Nassr 4-2 win over Al Nassr Shabab.
Cricket news. On 12th of May, a match between RCB and KKR turned out to be highly dramatic and entertaining. Yet once again, Virat Kohli was crowned with the man of the match after a brilliant knock of 105, leading his team incredibly to another win. Another exciting match was played between Punjab Kings and MI. The night belonged to MI, stylish, fearless, and unstoppable. Punjab Kings fans were left heartbroken as the losing streak stretched to 5 in a row. Vehanvi and Rahat signing off from the Sports News desk.
A very good morning to all of you today. I, Arhan, am going to tell the VHS news. In the inter-house cricket matches that concluded on Wednesday, I am very proud to say that Vikram Shila won from Taxila by 28 runs. On Wednesday, in the Group C girls football match, Taxila won against Vikram Shila with the score 3-0. On the 11th of May, grade 4 went on an educational excursion to the Chatbir Zoo, where they learned about vertebrates in a very fun way.
Thank you for bringing us the awareness. अब सतपुरा एंडीज और हिंदुकुश के छात्र छोटी बातें बड़े महत्वपूर्ण होती है को लेकर एक लघु नाटिका प्रस्तुत करेंगे। तो आइए नाटक का आनंद लें।
सुप्रभात। लोग सोचते हैं कि बड़े काम करना महत्वपूर्ण है, परंतु छोटे काम भी किसी के चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट ला सकते हैं।
Put your chair in. Okay, so today we're going to learn that small things can make a big difference.
कि लगता है टीचर को नहीं पता कि छोटे काम नहीं बल्कि बड़े-बड़े कामों से हम अपनी पहचान बना सकते हैं।
हाँ, मुझे भी ये लगता है। हमको सिर्फ बड़े-बड़े काम करने चाहिए। पता है, मेरी दादी हमेशा कहती है, बड़े-बड़े काम करो, तभी तक कोई थोनू जानेगा।
I heard in America that we should do big things, but Ma'am said small things make big differences. How come?
देखो वापस साफ कर रही है।
Very good, Farina. Class, you should learn something from her rather than just sitting down and doing nothing.
Sorry, ma'am.
अध्यापिका उसकी तारीफ करती है। तारीफ सुनकर एक और बच्चा मनन कक्षा को साफ सुथरा करने लगा, परंतु बाकी बच्चे लापरवाही से कक्षा गंदी करते थे। इतनी देर में एक दीदी कक्षा में प्रवेश करती है।
ओह, ये कक्षा कितनी सुंदर है। लगता है आज और भी काम करना पड़ेगा।
तभी बच्चों की नजर दरवाजे पर खड़ी हुई अध्यापिका पर पड़ती है, जो उन्हें देखकर मुस्कुरा रही होती है।
उनको देखकर बच्चों को शर्म आती है और वो फटाफट कचरा उठाते हैं और दीदी का 15 मिनट का काम 5 मिनट में हो जाता है। ऐसे दीदी खुश हो जाती हैं।
Today we understood that small things can make a big difference. Yes, ma'am. We got it now.
I'm happy that you understood.
आओ हम एक शुरुआत करें।
एक बीज तो बोएं।
आओ हम सब आगे बढ़े, एक छोटी सी शुरुआत करें। धन्यवाद।
Indeed, this performance reminded us that small things can make a big difference in our lives.
Feel the rhythm, enjoy the spirit, and celebrate the joy of dance. Please welcome our students for a lively dance performance.
पिघला दे
A big round of applause for our amazing performers. Your energy was simply contagious.
Now let us experience the behind the scenes.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can.
As we conclude, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Renu ma'am and Mukul sir for giving us this wonderful opportunity to perform on the stage. A special thanks to Ashish sir, Amit sir, Arpita ma'am and Dharampal bhaiya for all the technical support. Thank you to Poonam ma'am for dance and Sonika ma'am for music, and to our educators for guiding and supporting us throughout our practice sessions. Let us carry today's message with us that even the smallest actions can create a big impact. Thank you everyone and have a great day ahead.
May we please call upon stage principal ma'am to address the students.
Indeed, it is my pleasure first to congratulate the environments today who came up on stage and so beautifully sent us such an important message. And along with that, over this week, something really wonderful happened for all the class 12 students. The class 12 CBSE results were declared a couple of days ago, and I feel so proud and satisfied that your seniors have done us proud. We had 123 students who took the exam, out of which 54 scored above 90%. A heartiest congratulations to all of them. Maybe some of them are your friends. We'll be calling them to school one of these days. And out of those 54, 27 were above 95%. Do we have this pictures here, please? You recognize them? Lovely. Now, all these children did everything else along with studying. Yeah, you can carry on clapping for them. She's one of the school toppers, 98.4. There are two of them with that score. Wow. So you see their badges. They've been captains, they've been sports captains, they've done everything else what the school has to offer. They've taken those opportunities and also excelled at the exam. Yeah. Yeah, that one needs a clap. Now she's another topper from the school, both of them with 98.4. Sargun, Ritvik, yes, very popular. And that's the school girls captain. Yeah. Gloria. Yes, you can see the popularity. Reva did everything internationally and nationally. And he's an international shooter. He goes, he's world number 1 or 2 now. Yeah. Great. Lovely. Amazing. Ibadat. Can you imagine that it's not finishing? It's so lovely. And these are the toppers. Heartiest congratulations to all the educators. You brought them up, some of them from nursery, actually most of them, and they worked under your wings. And we as Vivek feel so proud. So children, that's motivation for you to do your best every day. Thank you.
This is an announcement from the computer department. Good morning, everyone. At Vivek High, we always strive to do something meaningful, innovative, and useful for the society. Continuing with the spirit, the computer department is pleased to announce the launch of an e-waste collection drive and awareness program in school. This initiative supports efforts towards environmental sustainability and responsible waste management by encouraging the safe disposal and recycling of electronic waste. Information regarding the e-waste drive will be shared with the captains and in classes as well. We would highly appreciate if each one of us participates in the events to follow. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, Bani and I, Rohan, have the pleasure of welcoming a storyteller whose work beautifully brings together music, theatre, and cinema. Many of you know Paresh Pahuja from Bandish Bandits and the song Duro Duro. Behind that moving piece of storytelling is the writer and director we are honored to host today, Mr. Shiv Tandon. Mr. Shiv Tandon is the writer of Duro Duro and the director of the Voice Notes concert. His work as a playwright, filmmaker, and songwriter has received international acclaim, with his plays being published and even taught in universities.
Beyond his achievements in theatre and film, Mr. Tandon is also a passionate educator and mentor who inspires young minds through storytelling and the arts. We're especially delighted to share that he will be directing our Founders production this year, an experience we are all truly looking forward to. It's a privilege to have someone with such creativity, vision, and artistic excellence with us today. Please join us in extending a very warm welcome to Mr. Shiv Tandon.
Hello, good morning. How are you? किसी ने सुना है दूरो दूरो या नहीं? किसी ने सुना है क्या? Put your hands up if you've heard it. Oh, wow, really? Thanks, guys. जिसने नहीं सुना सुन लो. We need some more streams. So please go home and दूरो दूरो सुन लेना. I was thinking very hard about what to talk to you guys about today. It's a hopefully just the start of a longer conversation. I'm going to be around a lot of this year with you all. I've been having some beautiful conversations with the students who are already in the SUPW classes, and then we also had a conversation yesterday when the new arts and education period happened with 9D. 9D था ना? 9th D वाले हैं यहाँ? हाँ, तुम ही थी ना? Am I right? हाँ. So कुछ चीजें निकल कर आई हैं, and I was thinking maybe we'll just start talking about some of those ideas that came up. First question is, just let's have a chat, okay? If just think about this very simple question: if you had infinite power, what would you do with it? See, world को क्या हुआ है? Save the world क्यों करना? World अच्छा ठीक है. I'll ask you. एक second, just in your mind, just think of if you had infinite power, what would you do with it? I'm just curious to know. 5, 4. Wait. I'll ask you. Wait. 3. सोचो अच्छे से. 2, 1. Okay. Put your hands up if you want to shout out. हाँ. Yes, sir. Please. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Shout. अच्छा क्या? What is wrong with the world that you want to fix? Tell me. Corruption fix कर देंगे. Okay. Yes. Conquer the world. क्या? हाँ खड़े हो जाओ कैसे? क्यों करना है conquer? क्या चाहिए बताओ ना. आज he wants to be the king of the world. Okay. You know what happens to the king of the world, right? Titanic देखी है कि नहीं? Anyway, हाँ बताओ. You want to end world hunger, okay? Yeah. Oh. Okay, she says, I'm very selfish. I want to fulfill my dreams. But I think the kind of subtle version of this question was, what is your dream? So to say one, what is it? घूम फिर के. She's saying, I still want to save people's lives only. हाँ. You want to get recognized. You want to be the savior. You don't want to just get independence. You also want to be Gandhi on the note. Huh. You want to make humans immortal. So this is like a medical dream or a scientific dream? Okay. Yes. On top floor. Yes. You. On the right. Yes. Huh. जोर से और जोर से. Own all the airlines. That's super specific. Okay, he wants to own all the airlines. Okay, maybe one more, huh? Okay, yeah. You want to get POK back to India. अच्छा, उसका क्या करना है तूने? अच्छा, Okay. I'm gonna. Abhi, so thoda, just think about the answers. I think we have some sense of like, let's do good for the world. Let's buy some stuff. Let's bring back POK. Okay. Just quieten down. बैठ जाओ. और नहीं मैं पूछ सकता. Time बहुत कम है. बैठ जाओ. We'll keep talking. I'm here only. You can walk by me in the corridor and just shout your answer, okay? No problem. Okay. Just settle down, take a deep breath, and just think about this very carefully. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much power do you think you have? Where 10 is infinite power and 1 is completely powerless. To do what you said, do you think you can make people immortal? Do you think you can fix the world, buy all the airlines, get POK back? Really honest question पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. How much power do you guys think you have? Really? Do you think you have control over your destiny or no? Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Honest, अपने अंदर सोचो बस. अपने लिए आंसर चाहिए मुझे एक. Honest to God. Okay? 5, 4. सोचो. ऑनेस्ट आंसर देना कि करना x है और करने की पावर है या नहीं. ओके, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू सेड यू आर infinitely powerful? 10. Okay, 4-5 people. 9. Almost. Okay, another 4-5 up there. तुम्हारी ऊपर कोई क्लास कौन सी है guys? Which class? 4th, 5th, 6th seems to feel more powerful. Okay. 8th. Yes, 8th बोल रहा हूँ. 8. Power of 8. 7. Okay, some more hands popped up. 6. ऊपर बहुत सारे 6. Okay, some 1 or 2 here. 5. Medium powerful. Kind of powerful. 5 पे भी थोड़े. Okay, wow. Okay. 4. Hey, listen, I'm going through 10 whole numbers. This better not be a problem of participation. You have to put your hand up at least once. Okay? 5. Okay. 4. Oh, suddenly bunch of hands. Okay. 3. Almost can't do this that I'm thinking of doing. 3. 2. No way in hell am I going to be able to do this that I want to do. 2. I feel really powerless. Okay, even more. And finally 1. क्या चल रहा है guys? 1 majority है. Okay. I'm going to get to just if you want to rethink this one more time. 0. Who thinks they can't change any? Oh, this sarcastic, cynical तो नहीं है ना? You're being honest. Or this is just being sarcastic to just mess up my activity. Seriously? Most of you, okay, okay. So I'm going to average the score in this room to about a 2. Okay. Fantastic. You know you're the richest, one of the richest school in richest community in the richest city in a very, very vibrant. तुम्हारे को भी नहीं समझ. Okay, okay. Why? Settle down. Tell me why. What is standing between you and infinite power? What is making you feel powerless? I want 2-3 answers. Shant, एक minute. Quieten down. Settle down. Think first. What is making you feel powerless? Okay, I want to hear some thoughtful answers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, who wants to tell me why they're feeling powerless? Yes, sir. Hey guys, सुनो, उनके पास mics नहीं है. He wants to destroy all the schools in Chandigarh. Just doesn't have the weapons to do it. Okay, we're just going to keep the weapons away from you. Huh? At the back, last row, yeah. Shout. Hey guys, I can't hear. Please, thoda shanti. Huh? Go. Hey, listen, I'm talking to her who's standing at the back. Nobody else shout. Only she shouts. Oh, there's a mic. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Hanji.
I feel like in the grand scheme of things, most people are at a 3.
In the grand scheme of things, who am I? What can I do? Right. Except make somebody smile. Like, okay, fair enough. Yes.
Hello. The invisible wall of society.
There's an invisible wall of society is holding you back. Society, जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ, बर्बाद करे लोग मेरे. हाँ जी. तेरे से तो मैं सारा दिन बात करता हूँ, तो relax कर. हाँ. Yes. Adults are holding you back. Adults are making you feel powerless. How many of you feel adults are making you feel powerless? What? What are these adults doing? Okay. Huh. Yes. Who else wants to contribute a new answer? Yes. All the way at the back with both hands on your head. Yes. 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 This guy. And then right at the back. Yes, you. Shout. What? You don't feel powerless? अरे मैं तो क्वेश्चन ही यही है कि अगर पावरलेस फील करते हो तो क्यों? हाँ जी. बताओ. What? Sorry, can't hear you guys. Too noisy. Guys, deep breath. Sura shant hona ek second. हाँ. Can anybody hear?
Sir, he said studying.
Oh, studying is making you feel powerless. Actually, this came up in the theatre group also. Oh, there's a round of applause for you, buddy. Look at this. I understand what you mean. Studying can often be, it's like a tornado, and it takes up your whole day and your evenings, and then you're doing group study till 2 a.m., and then you're doing tests, and then you're doing, I understand what it means completely. Okay, settle down. I have a couple of things I want to tell you now. First of all, you already have infinite power. It's just that थोड़ा सा recognize करने में देर हो जाती है. So I just want to give you a couple of examples of this, just to put a finer point on this. Anyone heard of Newtonian physics? F equals to ma and Newton's laws. सुना है? सब झूठ है. पता है तुम्हें ये? As it turns out, over the last 20 years, there's a new field of physics that has developed. It's called quantum physics. So quantum physics says कि अगर तुम्हारे सर के आगे एक दीवार है और तुम उसको कम से कम 2-4 मिलियन बार सर पीटो, तो at some point you will end up on the other side of the wall. ये न्यूटन के बस की नहीं थी ये. न्यूटन को नहीं समझ आ रहा था ये. But ये सच है. This is the truth. This is how reality is. You can just move through walls. You can end up in random places in the universe. This is how our bodies behave, whether you accept it or not. So, न्यूटन की जो फिजिक्स थी, जो हमें स्कूल में पढ़ाई गई थी, कॉलेज जाके पता लगा सब झूठ है, और एटलीस्ट डिस्प्रूव्ड है फॉर मोस्ट प्रैक्टिकल पर्पसेस. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का नाम सुना है? Do you know he was against India? He did not agree with building this thing called India. He was going around during the last years of his life around the world talking against कि इंडिया मत बनाओ, अच्छा आइडिया नहीं है, नेशनलिज्म अच्छा आइडिया नहीं है, बॉर्डर्स अच्छे आइडियाज नहीं है. वो सुना है? Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. You heard this poem? अब तो हम ऐसा गाते हैं एकदम फ्लैग को देख के. वो फ्लैग के अगेंस्ट पोएम है. Where the mind is not marred by narrow domestic boundaries. It's literally in the poem. He's talking about that. He's saying, let's not build the country that we all end up living in. And guess who wrote our national anthem? I mean, I imagine he would show up today and he'll be like, मेरे गाने तुम इस काम के लिए यूज कर रहे हो? साफ मना करके गया था मैं. So Rabindranath Tagore spent his days doing that. And the third example I want to give you, do you know that your parents, when they were in school, they got hit a lot? सुना ही होगा सबने. Why? Why do you think it was okay to whack kids in school 20 years ago? No, ये कह रहे they didn't care. Absolutely wrong. Of course they cared. What kind of teachers and parents don't care about their kids? They did it because psychology at the time told them that this model of the brain is sticks and carrots. So some psychologists got together, they wrote some stuff, they sent it out into the world and they said, बच्चों को पीटो तो ठीक रहेंगे, बढ़िया बच्चे बनेंगे. So they were doing it दिल पे पत्थर रख के for your parents' good. And now today what's going on? You know what it's called now? What is psychology telling us about how to deal with you guys? Child-centric, nourishing, sweet. You are the God's gems on earth and we have to take care of you with kid gloves. We have to give you flowers every day. We have to smile at you. है ना? So this is, all I'm trying to tell you guys is nothing is true objectively. It's a knowledge in general. Life of the human race in general is a stream. And we are just in one part of it. But the way that we get to the next part is up to you. None of this is just true. We don't have to live in India. अगर टैगोर आजकल घूम रहे होते तो हो सकता है बोल रहे होते कि नहीं, हमें पीओके तो छोड़ो, हमें पाकिस्तान भी तो छोड़ो, हमें सारी दुनिया को यूनिफाई करना चाहिए. मे बी ही वुड से दैट. अगर अगर क्या नाम था वो डॉग वाले का, पैवलॉव अगर अभी होता तो वो बोलता कि नहीं नहीं बच्चों को और पीटो, उनको एक्चुअली जब भी कुछ अच्छा काम करे तो टॉफी खिलाओ, खराब काम करे तो डंडा मारो. It could still be the way that your lives today are dictated by all these people who were nothing, who felt powerless against the larger tide of the times. But हम तो पंजाब में हैं, तो I want to leave you with one thought. Have you heard of this guy called Bhagat Singh? Airport, है ना भाई? As we know. भगत सिंह का एक बड़ा खूबसूरत शेर है. हवा में रहेगी मेरे ख्यालों की बिजली. सुना किसी ने ये? हवा में रहेगी मेरे ख्यालों की बिजली. मुश्त खाक क्या होता है? मुट्ठी भर खाक, मिट्टी. हवा में रहेगी मेरे ख्यालों की बिजली. ये मुश्त खाक है फानी, ट्रांजिएंट, रहे ना रहे. हवा में रहेगी मेरे ख्यालों की बिजली. ये मुश्त खाक है फानी, रहे ना रहे. अगर तुम पावरलेस फील कर रहे हो तो एक सेकंड के लिए लेट मी जस्ट पेंट अ पिक्चर. B.R. अंबेडकर का नाम सुना है? दलित, लोअर कास्ट, wasn't allowed to enter rooms most of his life, ostracized in school, had to change schools multiple times because upper caste people didn't let him inside. Ended up, I know you all think of him as the writer of our constitution, but that was such a small part of what that man managed to do. You know what he's best known for? Anybody? Constitution तो पता है सबको, और कुछ किसी को और कुछ पता है इसके बारे में? Anybody else has an offer on what Ambedkar is known for other than the Constitution? Guys, huh? Fighting for equality is true for all his work, huh? छोटे एक्टिविटीज हैं. और हाँ जी, लॉयर तो चलो प्रोफेशन हो गया. गाइस, आफ्टर गौतम बुद्ध के बाद B.R. Ambedkar is considered the second biggest leader in the Buddhist world. Do you know this? He's credited as the second coming of Buddhism. 150 years from now, जब इंडिया कुछ और बन चुका होगा और यूरोपियन यूनियन कहीं और चला गया होगा, लोग B.R. Ambedkar को याद करेंगे as a religious figure, like Adi Shankara and Jesus Christ and Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So, this is what an untouchable can do without money, without anything. अपने आप पे confidence रखो. This year, I'm going to give you one platform to exercise this power, to do something that is true to you. The theatre students will tell you already that I'm asking you, what do you want to say? What do you want to write about? What does a play that Vivek High School put up, what does that play say? What do you want to do with this opportunity? सारे पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं, सारी टीचर्स आ रही हैं, अलग अलग स्कूल से लोग आ रहे हैं. क्या कहना चाहते हो स्टेज पे बताओ. So I am open, I am here, ma'am is here. Talk to us. What do you want to put up on stage? This founders is up to us. Let's make it amazing, super entertaining, but from the heart. Okay? थोड़ी ख्यालों में अपनी बिजली डालते हैं. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and for spending your morning with us today.
It's truly a privilege to learn from someone whose creativity and vision has touched audiences across different forms of storytelling. Thank you once again, sir.
Ma'am just asked me about why I got into theatre and what my journey is. So I was a 98 whatever % student in school, and I got a scholarship to the Singapore Airlines Youth Scholarship करके कुछ होता था एक टाइम पे, and I got to go to Singapore to do my 11th and 12th standard. I did A levels there, and then I got another scholarship to go to college in Singapore, National University of Singapore, where I studied industrial and systems engineering. And because I'm passionate about education and passionate about teaching, so my systems engineering degree, I forced my professors to change it into an education systems degree. So I ended up doing my focus in education systems. But वहाँ college में जाके I met my mentor and teacher who showed me theatre for the first time and said, here's something I love, you can try and participate. And I fell in love with theatre in a big way. So it was, I credit those two teachers who saw something in me and shared their passion with me in that way, and then it changed the course of my life. So I became a writer, director for both theatre, and I'm starting to write music, and I'm also a filmmaker. So that's how I found my calling. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Good morning. The We Careers team is pleased to announce that EduFest 2026 will be held on 19th May. EduFest is Vivek High School's flagship university and career guidance event, bringing together leading Indian and international universities to help students and parents explore academic opportunities, interact with university representatives, and gain valuable career guidance.
Over 50 universities from India and abroad will be participating in the university fair, which will take place from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the basement. Important to note for grade 11A and all sections of grade 12 that school will get over at 2:15 on the 19th. At the fest, these are some questions you can ask. What makes your university different from other universities offering similar courses? What kind of skills are required to thrive at your university? How flexible is the curriculum if students want to explore different interests before specializing? What internship, research, or practical learning opportunities do students usually get? What advice would you give to students in grade 9th to 12th who are preparing for college in the future?
In addition, the following special sessions have also been organized for students of classes 9 to 12th. From 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., a joint session by Imperial College London and UCL on what makes your university application stand out. From 11 a.m. to 12:15 p.m., a special session by Mr. Tarun Malik, Harvard alumnus and former CTO, who brings over 25 years of experience. Please note that the break timings will be rescheduled accordingly. Thank you.
Everyone to please stand up for the school song.
Together unafraid, over land, in the air, on the sea. Together let us work hand in hand at Vivek and ring the bells of victory. Together unafraid, for 100 nights, 100 days. Together let us go where Vivek's flag flies and friendship's banner raise. Together unafraid, with knowledge and integrity, our motto
standing for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
For the science quiz, only grades 10th, A, B, C, D, 11A and 12A will be sitting in the auditorium.